Creating vector illustrations can be very time consuming. In Adobe Illustrator, you can actually use Adobe Firefly to streamline and accelerate many illustration tasks. So for example, here I have this logo, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to customize this logo to specific seasons and change that up based on that shape. So if I select, for example, the logo here, one of the new features we have within Illustrator is what's called Gen Shape Fill. And within here, I can put in a text prompt to generate what content will exist inside of the shape. So for example, if I want to have a logo to showcase different seasons, maybe say different holidays like Halloween, I can go in here and say Halloween with jack-o'-lanterns, and I can ask it to also keep the shape. And when I click on generate, it's going to understand the shape of that actual vector object and then generate inside of there. And what we'll see is, there we go. It generated it now along with a few different options for us to be able to choose from, and it kept it in the style and shape of what I asked for there. Beautiful. Now, if I did want to go in and change this up, maybe I'm personalizing it to a specific region with mountains and hiking. Let's say we put hiking and mountains with a lake. Now, if I then generate that, it's going to take the same shape again and generate a new set to fill that in there. And there we go. Now, normally this would be something that would be very time consuming, having to illustrate that and mask that out, but it gives me a quick way to be able to create a quick illustration. And as always in Illustrator, these are all vectors, so I can go in and I can move around and change any of the individual objects that I need. So that is generative shape fill inside of Adobe Illustrator powered by Adobe Firefly.